Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software CAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the CAD software.
In this drawing, I will be teaching you how to create this simple model in CAD. For that, go for New, Model, the unit should be in millimeters, give it as OK. Go for Sketch in Task Environment, so this is my reference plane. And here, I will be drawing my profile. Like this, I will be drawing my base profile. Now I will be going for rapid dimension and dimension this sketch. This distance it should be 60. This distance it is given as 50. And one of this distance. And this distance it will be 30. And next this distance it should be taken as 90. Like this you can see I have drawn my base feature. Finish. Then I will extrude this feature to a distance of 10. Like this I have created my base feature. And now I am going to build my extra features. For that again I will go for sketch. I will be rotating this and selecting this back face and give it as OK. Here I will be drawing my one more profile. Like this I will be creating my profile, and with the help of rapid dimension I will be dimensioning my profile. That is this distance it should be 20. This it is given as 20 and vertical distance also 20, and this distance obviously it should be 30. Then finish. Again I will go for extrude option, select the curve and extrude it to a distance of 20 mm. Why? Because the distance is given as 20. In reverse direction you can see it is getting extruded in opposite direction, so I will be reversing my dimension like this, give it as OK. So here one more thing you have to see is go for edit, and here the boolean should be unite, not subtract. Okay, unite means both objects will be a single entity like this. And one more thing, this feature I'll be taking, go for sketch, select this face, OK, and here I'll be drawing my profile, say like this. Then with the help of rapid dimension I'll be giving dimensions for them. The length should be 40 and the width should be 20. Exit, finish the sketch, then go for extrude, select your curve and extrude it to a distance of 20. So this is how we will be creating a isometric models in CAD. So this is all for now. In the upcoming videos I will be coming with some more examples. Thank you.